Alright guys, we are back to another week, and something is happening around the globe. Look, yesterday, Monday, we didn't have any data except for Biden is stepping out, and I've made a video on that. If you haven't yet looked it up on the video, the link is somewhere around here, or you just pause this video now, go to the channel and then look at the video Biden is out. And you will understand a little bit more on what's going on over in the US in terms of political instability. But then today we're not going to have anything as well. I have the economic calendar right at my hands, and it says pretty much that we're going to have ECB Lane giving any speech and the Eurogroup meetings, and that's all we're going to have. So something is strange, something is a little bit different on the market, and this is making me cautious, all right? This is making me step back and look at the picture and see what is going on. All right, before we start, guys, please give us a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel, and send this content to your friend. I will try to go run through a long time. I don't do that anymore. But I'm just going to go through the economic calendar and let's have a look on what's awaiting us this week. So for today, nothing. For tomorrow, Wednesday, we're going to have services PMI, manufacturing PMI for Australia at 9 a.m. And then we're going to have consumer climate in Europe at 4 p.m. Guindos will be having a speech. And then from 5:15 p.m. all the way to 6:30 p.m. we're going to have services PMIs, manufacturing PMIs for France, Europe, Eurozone in general, German, and UK. All right. Looking at the numbers, they're looking like we're going to have a weakening euro tomorrow on Wednesday. I'm going to be, going deeper tonight on my webinar. So if you're not yet registered, please do it so by clicking on the link or the description here for registering yourself towards the webinar tonight. And then on Thursday, still tomorrow, we're going to have manufacturing and services PMI as well for US. Expected to have a bit of decline, but I'm looking more to a upward movement for the services and manufacturing PMI on USA, okay? So I'm going against of what the consensus is saying here. We're gonna have Bank of Canada having the rate decision. So they are expected to cut another 25 basis points. I am expecting them to cut another 25 basis points as well. This is widely expected by the market already. And then on Thursday, we're going to have the Bank of Canada press conference at midnight 30. Okay, so the actual rate decision will be 11:45 p.m. on Wednesday, and then on Thursday, midnight 30, pretty much 25 minutes later, we're going to have the press conference. And then we're going to have some FOMC members giving a speech as well, and then initial jobless claims and retail inventories excluding auto, and the most important, the GDP quarter 2 for US expected to be an up move from the previous of 1.4 is expected to be at 1.9% on Thursday. And then going to Friday, we're going to have the Fed balance sheet, so that's going to be very important as well. And the PC price index expected to rise 0.1% from the previous of 0%. Now, the PC, the price consumer expenditure, will be very interesting to see the measurement of inflation. Okay, I do expect inflation to continue to go up on the US. I don't think that they will be willing to take they wouldn't be willing to take 2 cuts this year. But yes, this will be somewhat good for the US dollar and weakening the euro. So I continue to believe that we can see euro dollar lower this week, as well as gold up for the next couple weeks. Guys, very short video, nothing else to talk about it. I will be waiting everyone tonight on the webinar from 5 to 6 p.m. So stay tuned towards the next couple of days, because the things will get interesting. But yesterday and today we don't have anything. Guys, I hope everyone have a beautiful afternoon, beautiful day, whatever time you're watching this video, and I catch up with you tonight or in the next video. Bye bye.